Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, as I was building our screen door, I had to make a jig that I used to make my raised panels, which I've never done before. So I just kind of threw something in there and put something together real quick. Well, I'm going to go back into the shop, and this time I'm going to actually build it the way it should be built, that I can use it on multiple panel raises that I want. Of course, it's not going to be the perfect thing that you'll find in any panel making shop or anything like that, but it's going to be something I made, my design and my idea, and I'm going to try to use lumber and stuff that I have in the shop without going out and getting anything extra, and just to see how this is going to work. Well, let's go into the shop and see what I can do with that, huh? Back in the shop, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this this design out of something that's in my head. It may be different than what you've seen on the net. It may not be. I don't know, but we'll find out. I'll show you what I have, what I made really quick to do the screen door. It just took me a matter of maybe 10 minutes, 5 minutes to make that. But what I want to do this time is I want to make it universal to basically any depth of panel height that I want to make. As I was just saying, this is my first design. I mean, you can see it's got the angle here that that I cut just to make the panel. But my problem is it's not tucked up against here. The other problem is I need this to be taller, and where I could make the clamps. And if I want to make it to be able to move, to get a different angle on the cut, that's what I need to do. So I'm going to actually take pieces of this and use this. Pull this stuff off of here, put a panel that I can actually adjust from the backside, and we'll see what actually happens. I'm going to cut this off right here, put the hinges up here, then that board can swivel in and out. I think I like that idea. I think I like that a lot. Alright, let's take it apart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these boards on a hinge like this. I'm not sure on the height on this yet, but so when they tip like that, this board here can slide down and touch and make contact with the table. There'll be a little board coming out the edge of that just to keep it going. So, all right. So these boards, that's a little long. So I will cut these in half. it looks like with a piece of panel I cut on it. Each of these, you would loosen those right there, and that would just drop the whole panel down, the jig down like this to make the cuts. Thanks for watching.